Hi there, Scott with SkipperBud's, one of our newest listings. It's a 2001 Four Winds 190 Horizon. This boat's just in on consignment. We'll be asking $12,995 for it. Yeah. Nice stainless steel prop here. Go ahead and get up on in the boat. Nice back-to-back seating layout here. Very nice roomy bow area. Little anchor storage. Does come with a spare prop, fire extinguisher, newer cover. They had the cover redone last year, so it's a nice new cover. Nice stereo. Does have upgraded kicker stereo speakers. Boat is rated for 9 people. Nice. So this boat does have the Volvo 5-liter. Very nice engine. Nice jump seats on both sides. Upholstery is actually in really good shape on the boat. A nice big deep glove box over here. Bimini top has actually been redone as well, so very nice Bimini top. Yeah, there you go. If you have any other questions on this boat or any other boat on our website, give us a call. We are happy to assist and help you get boating on the water.